Good morning. Welcome to Wellness by Degrees. Today is going to be a short tutorial on how to adapt tree pose to the chair. Let's get started. So to start out, I'm going to show you just some versions of a regular tree pose and then how we can adapt it to our chair. So normally when we do tree pose, we start out by finding our balance. So whatever side we're going on, let's say we're grounding through the right side first, we want to bring the weight over to that side, maybe hover the foot to see where we're at. We're engaging through the leg, through the core and the spine. And then once we've found a place of balance, we'll start by bringing the sole of the left foot either to the lower leg of the right foot, or we can bring it up into the thigh. And depending on the pants you're wearing, these pants are pretty slippery, but depending on the pants you're wearing, it might be harder or easier to do that. From here, you can keep hands at heart center, or you can work the hands up. So those are some versions of standing tree pose. You want to make sure if you're standing that the foot is either below or above the knee. We want to try to keep it off the knee because that can cause damage to the knee joint. So there are some versions. We can do it on the other side as well if you're following along. So first, finding that balance, drawing the center of gravity over to the standing leg, and then you might float the foot of the opposite leg. You can try bringing it to the inside of the calf or up into the thigh. Once you've found your area that's not on the knee, you might bring the arms into it, into prayer pose or above the head. Great. So moving into the chair, we'll start by sitting in mountain pose, making sure that the feet are pointing forward, about hip distance apart, drawing the shoulders back. We're sitting tall, the same as if we were standing. Now there are 3 different versions of the pose, 3 different levels. So starting with the right leg, we'll take the foot up. We're still trying to ground through this leg. We're imitating what we did standing. Bring the sole of the foot in and just set the sole of the right foot to the side of the left foot. So this is level 1. Again, you can bring the hands in if you want, either to the chest or above the head. Level 2, we'll just bring that left foot in slightly, cross the right foot over the left foot. We're still engaging through both legs, still pressing down through the left foot, but it's just a deeper version of the pose. Deepest version, we'll lift this leg up, we'll flex that foot so we protect the ankle and the knee joints, and then we'll lift about where the ankle is, right above the knee, keeping that foot flexed, and allow the right knee to drop out to the side. And again, same arms, either heart center or above us. We'll just go really quick to the opposite side in case we're moving through all of this together. So allow that foot to come down, move into your mountain pose, moving to the left side for tree pose. So level 1, on the chair, you bring the sole of the left foot into the side of the right foot. Arms can come to heart center or above the head. Level 2, you might step that right foot in a little bit further, make sure you're grounding, bring the left foot and cross over. And level 3, you might flex that ankle so that you're protecting the ankle and knee joints. Let the left knee fall out to the side, and you can bring hands to heart center or above the head. Great job. Thank you for joining me today. That was a quick adaptation of tree pose to the chair. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and let me know what poses you'd like to learn on the chair. Namaste.